special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head, a million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes.
I've seen a lot of speakers. I spend a lot of money making sure I see some really good speakers, and I would put him in the top 0.5% of those.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one and only Richard McCann.
Ready to talk to a man whose life was shattered when the Yorkshire Ripper murdered his mother when he was only 5.
For Richard McCann,